In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete payees on the Halifax app. If you've ever built up a long list of people or companies you no longer pay, tidying that list makes everyday banking faster and safer. A quick reminder before we begin, a payee is simply a saved recipient for bank transfers. Removing one won't affect any past payments, it only clears them from your saved list. Start by opening the Halifax app on your phone and signing in as you normally do. Once you're in, look along the bottom menu and tap Payments. This is the section that handles transfers, standing orders, and the payee list. Next, choose the option labeled Choose Who to Pay. That brings up your saved payees. Depending on your device, they may appear alphabetically or with a search bar at the top. If you have more than one Halifax account, make sure you're viewing the right one so you see the correct list. Find the payee you want to remove, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right person or business, check the nickname, and, if visible, the last few digits of the account or reference so you don't delete the wrong entry. When you're ready, tap the three dots next to their name. This opens the Actions menu for that specific payee. From there, select Delete Payee. You might see a brief note explaining that deletion removes the payee from your saved list. To finish, confirm by tapping Delete again. For security, the app may ask for your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Go ahead and approve that prompt. The payee will then be removed and you'll return to your list. If the name still appears for a moment, just navigate back and re-enter the list to refresh the view. That's all it takes. Keeping your payees up to date helps reduce clutter and the risk of sending money to the wrong place. If you ever need that payee again, you can add them back during a future payment. And if your screens look a little different, it may just be an app update. The payments area and the three-dot menu are still the places to look. Finally, deleting a payee doesn't cancel any scheduled transfers you've already set up to that recipient, so review those separately if needed. If something doesn't load, give your internet connection a quick check and try again later. Brief outages can delay changes showing right away. Thanks for watching and happy banking.